In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with HubSpot. By the end, you'll have the ChatGPT connector added to your HubSpot account, so you can streamline content and workflows right where your teams already work. I'll walk you through the exact path in HubSpot and share a few helpful tips along the way, so nothing slows you down. Start by opening your HubSpot portal and heading to the main dashboard. Look toward the top of the page for the small gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open HubSpot's settings area. If you don't immediately see the options I mentioned, that's okay. HubSpot's layout can vary slightly depending on your permissions and portal configuration. Inside settings, find the menu on the left and locate integrations. Click integrations to access the tools that connect external apps to your HubSpot account. If you manage multiple hubs or have limited permissions, you might need an admin to complete the next part. Installing marketplace apps typically requires the right role, so double check with your admin if you don't see the install controls. Within integrations, choose connected apps. This is the page that lists tools already linked to your HubSpot and provides quick access to the marketplace. From here, click the option to go to the app marketplace. This opens HubSpot's marketplace in a new view where you can browse and add official and third-party integrations. In the marketplace, move to the search bar and type ChatGPT. Press enter to see the available results. You may notice several options with similar names, but the one you're after is called HubSpot Connector for ChatGPT. Click that listing to open its details page. It's worth taking a moment here to review the description, check compatibility information, and skim the permissions the app requests so you understand what data it can access. If your company has approval processes for new tools, this page is a great place to capture the information you need. When you're ready, click Install on the listing page. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm the install within your HubSpot account. Depending on your setup, you might see a quick confirmation dialog. Once the installation completes, the connector will be available in your portal, and you can start exploring its features from within HubSpot's interface. That's it. You open settings, navigated to integrations and connected apps, jumped into the marketplace, searched for ChatGPT, selected HubSpot connector for ChatGPT, and installed it. If you found this helpful, you're now set to bring AI assistance closer to your marketing, sales, and service workflows.